Hi, Bo Magnussen here, General Manager at Magnussen Lexus of Fremont. I'm here with Mark Freitas in our paint and detail department. And the tip that I'm going to give you is if you have an older car with headlights that are faded or fogged over, there is a way to clean those up. It makes your car look a lot newer, and of course it gives you better night vision, so it's safer as well. So Mark here, it's a 4-step process, would you say?
I would say that.
Okay, so he's going to show you how you could do it yourself. There are some supply stores, parts supply stores that sell the product. We also do this service for you here at Magnussen Lexus. So first, what are we going to do?
We're going to go ahead and tape up the headlight so we don't burn through the edges onto the paint.
So taping up the headlight, keep this area protected. Go ahead. So next step, we've got it all taped up, put a little bit of water on it, and we're going to sand the headlight and start polishing it with 1500 grade sandpaper, and that gives it an initial cleaning. So we've done an initial polish with the 1500 grade paper. Now we're going to use a little bit finer sandpaper, a little more water, and a 2000 grade sandpaper on this. Then one more sanding with a 3000 grade sandpaper just to get all the little fine areas in the headlight cleaned and polished as much as possible. So you can already see a big difference after just the 3 sandings. Now we're putting on a rubbing compound to really get a deeper cleaning of the light. We use a sander here, or a buffer I should say, with a soft pad to put on the rubbing compound. You could use a drill with some type of soft pad as well, possibly at home. So go ahead, hit it. Rubbing compound, we're going to rinse that off, get the edges so there's no residue back on there. Then we have a couple more steps, right?
Correct.
So we're going to put on a polish to really make it shine, which will also help keep it clean and last a little bit longer. So we're in the home stretch here, one more rinse, and then we're going to put a little wax coating on top of it to protect it from fading even more in the sun. Sun's the big culprit on why the headlights become fogged and look so bad. So now just the final cleanup, remove the tape. And then finish it with a clean dry cloth, remove the excess wax, and you've got a headlight that looks like new. A microfiber, wow. Look at that. So if you've got an older car, it looks older, you've got the faded looking headlights, use this technique, your car will look like new. If you look comparison before and after, it's also safer and going to be better for you and your driving experience. That's your tip from Magnussen Lexus. Have a good day.